Your dream awaits. Sitting at home, wondering how to earn online? Many believe that opportunities depend on formal education, but the digital arena rewards creativity and determination. Freelancing opens a door for anyone willing to learn and grow. Imagine tapping into a world where digital skills become your currency, a chance to build income from anywhere, even a remote village. Begin with step 1, learn a digital skill. Focus on graphic design, video editing, or YouTube SEO. Online courses and tutorials provide the tools you need to transform curiosity into expertise. Step 2 is to set up your profile on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Use a high-resolution headshot, a strong title, and a clear bio that speaks to your unique abilities. Step 3 is crafting a standout gig. Create a compelling image and write a clear, honest description. These details build trust and show potential clients your commitment. Step 4 is to stay active. Regularly send personalized proposals and update your profile to remain visible. Each action brings you closer to turning passion into profit. And remember, never stop learning, as every new skill enhances your freelance journey. I'm Henayet from the Rural Academy. I started small, confused, but fueled by dreams that defied limitations. I transformed my uncertainty into a thriving career, proving that dedication overcomes any hurdle. Every expert once stood exactly where you are now. With consistent effort and learning, your future in freelancing is bright and full of promise indeed. If I can do it, you can too. Follow our page for daily freelancing tips, and let's grow together.